In four-dimensional geometry, a uniform antiprismatic prism or antiduoprism is a uniform four-polytope with two uniform antiprism cells in two parallel three-space hyperplanes, connected by uniform prisms cells between pairs of faces. The symmetry of a p-gonal antiprismatic prism is 2p, 2 plus 2, ordinate p. A p-gonal antiprismatic prism. A p-gonal antiduoprism has 4p equilateral triangle, 4p square and 4 regular p-gon faces. It has 10p edges and 4p vertices. Convex uniform antiprismatic prisms. There is an infinite series of convex uniform antiprismatic prisms. Starting with the diagonal antiprismatic prism is a tetrahedral prism, with two of the tetrahedral cells degenerated into squares. The triangular antiprismatic prism is the first non-degenerate form, which is also an octahedral prism. The remainder are unique uniform four polytopes. Star antiprismatic prisms. There are also star forms following the set of star antiprisms, starting with the pentagram 5 halves. Square antiprismatic prism. A square antiprismatic prism. A square antiduoprism is a convex uniform four polytope. It is formed as two parallel square antiprisms connected by cubes and triangular prisms. The symmetry of a square antiprismatic prism is 82 plus 2, order 32. It has 16 triangle, 16 square and 4 square faces. It has 40 edges and 16 vertices. Pentagonal antiprismatic prism. A pentagonal antiprismatic prism. A pentagonal antiduoprism is a convex uniform four polytope. It is formed as two parallel pentagonal antiprisms connected by cubes and triangular prisms. The symmetry of a pentagonal antiprismatic prism is 102 plus 2, order 40. It has 20 triangle, 20 square and 4 pentagonal faces. It has 50 edges and 20 vertices. Hexagonal antiprismatic prism. A hexagonal antiprismatic prism. A hexagonal antiduoprism is a convex uniform four polytope. It is formed as two parallel hexagonal antiprisms connected by cubes and triangular prisms. The symmetry of a hexagonal antiprismatic prism is 122 plus 2, order 48. It has 24 triangle, 24 square and 4 hexagon faces. It has 60 edges and 24 vertices. Heptagonal antiprismatic prism. A heptagonal antiprismatic prism. A heptagonal antiduoprism is a convex uniform four polytope. It is formed as two parallel heptagonal antiprisms connected by cubes and triangular prisms. The symmetry of a heptagonal antiprismatic prism is 142 plus 2, order 56. It has 28 triangle, 28 square and 4 heptagonal faces. It has 70 edges and 28 vertices. Octagonal antiprismatic prism. A octagonal antiprismatic prism or octagonal antiduoprism is a convex uniform four polytope, four-dimensional polytope. It is formed as two parallel octagonal antiprisms connected by cubes and triangular prisms. The symmetry of an octagonal antiprismatic prism is 162 plus 2, order 64. It has 32 triangle, 32 square and 4 octagonal faces. It has 80 edges and 32 vertices. See also duoprism. John H. Conway, Heidi Bergiel, Chaim Goodman Strauss. The Symmetries of Things 2008. ISBN 9781568812205. Chapter 26. Norman Johnson Uniform Polytopes. Manuscript. 1991. 6. Convex Uniform Prismatic Polychora. George Olszewski.